In this work, we find employee groups coming together in space and time. For each of these groups, we find when and where these associations happen, and if any recurring patterns and abnormal behavior exists. Spatial temporal clustering involves identifying employees coming together in space and time. However, the data provided is asynchronous and uncertain. We made the following assumptions to handle uncertainties. For synchronizing data, we created information list and event log list. Data mining algorithms are applied on information list to identify aberrations in spatial homogeneity and patterns in cluster groups. Our visualization framework is a sandbox of data mining outputs and data handlers. Data mining results are real-time and offline, whereas data handlers are native and derived. One can create many configurable dashboards using the sandbox, like employee social groups, spatial homogeneity patterns like Ripley's L factor, and spatial temporal associations. These visualizations can be linked with data handlers to identify abnormal patterns. We have built the following dashboards to visually mine unusual patterns. This window shows entity network clusters. Entity types are distinguished using different icons. Once the cluster is selected, profiles of entities belonging to the cluster are displayed in the bottom tab. On the spatial temporal hotspot, diameter of the circle indicates the total time spent for selected entities at a location. The color of the circle indicates the degree of association. Further, if you select a particular cell in this tab, Associated Users window will show all members and their associations with other members at that location and time zone. We have used 6 hours time zone intervals starting at 12 midnight. A glance at the spatial temporal hotspot shows that some activity has happened at Chronosmart between 12 midnight and 6 am. Selection of the circle reveals that users from one particular entity cluster, that is 1, 10 and 23, are linked to it. Associated Users screen confirms that these users have gone to that location at the same time. Users 54 and 32 also went to the location, but they went on different dates and independently. One can navigate to the activity dashboard using this link. Total activity reported screen displays hourly activity for selected users over time, and location of their activity is given in the spatial temporal intensity window below. One can notice that the hotspots of this entity cluster are Chronosmart, Hippocampus and Bruce Bean served. Color indicates the timings when the cluster members visited the spot. Hotspot selection would highlight the time spent and time zones in location activity window. In the credit card and loyalty dashboard, patterns graph has difference between user credit card spent and loyalty earned on x-axis, and difference between the number of transactions on credit card and loyalty card on y-axis. Users located near 0 are normal, and all users located in the third quadrant are suspicious. Going back to the pattern observed in cluster group 5, user 1 has a large value of credit card transaction which is not claimed for loyalty. Selecting user 1 would give further details on the spend. As can be noticed from spatio-temporal credit card spend screen, user 1 has made unusually large transaction compared to all other transactions at Fido's Auto Supply and has not claimed loyalty for it. Finally, L-factor dashboard gives instantaneous distribution of all users at any point of time. L-factor graph indicates spatial homogeneity of users. Selecting a point on the L-factor gives user distribution on the map below. Real-time alerts can be generated on this dashboard if any unusual homogeneity patterns occur. Multiple patterns can be identified using these visualizations and aid authorities in identifying suspicious patterns.